Society. This will be a special Thanksgiving for the LOWENGARD family of West Hartford. A time to say thanks for the care they received at Hartford Hospital and a chance to reflect on what they gave back.
This is the story of a mother and daughter who wouldn't let a wall or anything else get between them and their goal of beating cancer.
Because you do a lot of looking out the window when you're getting chemotherapy.
Mary LOWENGARD says she was bothered by what she saw from her mom's room at Hartford Hospital.
It looked like a prison wall to me.
If the wall seemed like a prison to Mary, her mom's first bout with cancer must have felt like a prison sentence.
In 1960, people didn't say the word cancer, you know. It was so horrible, nobody wanted to say the word.
ELAINE titled LOWENGARD survived thyroid cancer and raised 6 kids. But in September of last year, she learned she had cancer again. 3 months later, her daughter Mary was also diagnosed with the same disease, ovarian cancer.
It wasn't as bad as I might have imagined. And part of that is because she was going through it, but part of it was the comfort and the care that I got here.
Mary and her mom would beat cancer this year, but to understand their legacy at Hartford Hospital, you need these walls to talk. The night before Mary's first surgery last March, she wrote a proposal to the hospital.
I figured if this is my last act, this is what I'm going to do. And I said, I'd like to get that wall painted.
Mary raised roughly $50,000 for the project and reached out to her West Hartford childhood friend Sally. It proved to be a stroke of genius. In just 3.5 weeks, Sally and her friend Katu created a garden mural representing the 4 seasons.
Patients, doctors, nurses would stop and yell down at us, "Great job, we love what you're doing, this is so great."
There have been studies that show that your attitude is a large part of this.
Mary's nurse practitioner agrees.
Positive views that patients can see actually does help with pain perceptions and lessen nausea and stress and anxiety.
Mary says her Great Gray Wall was conceived as a gratitude project, a way to say thanks to everyone at Hartford Hospital. The wall measures 51 feet long and ranges from 8 to 14 feet high, but the impact it will make knows no limits.
It's not a cure for cancer. I haven't raised a huge amount of research funds. I haven't discovered some new genome, but, in a way, the quality of care and quality of life is as much a part of the treatment as whatever drugs they're putting into your system.
I think this helped her get through everything that she's gone through, and she did it like a superstar.
If I have to go sit back in those chairs, I'm glad that I've got something like that to look at. I did this for my mother. It's got the nice side effect of helping out a lot of other people.
This was all part of a Hartford Hospital auxiliary project. Sally did her work for free. To Mary, who lives in New York but temporarily moved back home to help her mom, says 3 of the 4 seasons are depicted on the wall. Spring will be painted in the spring to make the 4 seasons complete. And, Mary's nurse practitioner, Lori Scarpo, told us that this served as a distraction, which she said can also be a positive for cancer patients.
Well, that's right. Like you said, she did it for her mom, but it's going to affect so many lives for years to come. And taking such a drab canvas and turning into the work of art it is, just amazing. Beautiful.
Yeah, I think the word they kept using, it was bleak before,
yeah.
And now it's bright and vibrant. It's spectacular in person, and it gives people hope. And attitude is everything. So congratulations to Mary.
What a great story, Kat.